Hello fans, hello everyone. So today we are hitting the streets of Nairobi. Yeah, this is just a place called Juja, a small village in Nairobi city. You can see some kids are playing there. Yeah, some are just walking around. So we're going to have a taste of some street foods here in Nairobi. So join me as we have this street food, some samosa, mutura, and Smokies and some eggs. So join me, let's go have a taste of these street foods here. These are our Kenyan roads. See our Kenyan roads. Kenyan village roads. We have very poor roads. Guys, when it rains, it's always crazy. Like you can't walk here, you'll slide, you'll fall. Yeah, it's crazy, but we're used to it. So we're here. We are now here. You can see the mutura is being prepared. And guys, I reached here and it's not only mutura that is being made here. You can see that meat that is being cut, oily, it's too oily. That is meat from a hump of a cow. It's always muscles and fat, that hump. The meat is always just muscles and fats. That meat is also prepared here and it's being sold. And also there is liver and also heart of a cow. Yeah, so it's not only mutura that is being made. So watch and enjoy. And you can see also here there is ugali. So some people buy this meat and they eat it with ugali. Imagine, and it's street food and they eating like it's dinner. Yeah, this is Kenya for you. And you can see that sufuria over there, it has soup. You see that soup, that the bone soup that is always prepared, and people like drinking it so much. Yeah, the soup is there on that in that sufuria.
This is Mutura, a Kenyan street food, and it is made of that oily part of pressed meat, and this is how it is prepared.
Na mutura inatengenezwa na nini?
Mutura inatengenezwa na nyama.
Nyama ama damu?
Damu hapana.
Kuna ingine nilikula huko mbele imetengenezwa na damu.
Usikule hiyo mutura ya damu.
Sasa hii ya nyama ni nyama gani? Mafuta?
Mafuta, nyama ya kuchoma,
Oh, nyama yenye minced meat yenye imekrashiwa.
Yes. Sasa sideta niwacha kitu. Nimepiga picha sana. Kama wewe unaitwa arenga nini? Ikomi.
Shopping rent. Shopping rent.
Unanipiga picha?
Hapana.
Ai, nipiga unanipiga.
Siuone. Na mimi suko.
Oh. Wewe kile ndo mai. Jana yeye kile mure mai mambo ni wao. Ni katika Mutura. Ngapi boss? Hata 10. Na kata mai tu ke. Ndio. Kusikia hapa kwa ukali. Ngapoigua kauru hanini. Iratigirira kenjiro ina thina wa magego imagirire riu. Ai magego matura magiaga dawa iyo ni kumunya. Dawa kumunya. Ni mugio ka ni Mutura. Leko mugaruro. Ka ni guyo. Na ni mugaruro wa Mutura mani. Ngo ndira ciuga ko ni guyo ndio hau. Kwaje kuthira kuria na ngima ai. Ani ye ngima ya rigani. Nyendete ngima.
Yes, we're here now at the Smokies. Here are the Smokies and some eggs. Yeah, we call them smoky pasua and mayai pasua. Yeah, eggs pasua. So when you buy, it's cut in the middle and they put there some kachumbari, some chili and tomato sauce. Yeah, and these are the samosas. They are being prepared. They are prepared like this. You can see where they are being prepared from. So some use potatoes to prepare them. Some use this green grams. Some use beef. Some use chicken, minced meat. Yeah, there are just different procedures to prepare them. And you can see how this place looks like. It just screams street food. Yeah, you can see the environment, how it is. This is how it looks like. Yeah, they are preparing it using this green grams. Yes. And this is the kachumbari in this tin. This is plain kachumbari and the other tin has kachumbari that is mixed with pepper. Yeah, a lot of it. So you can see my smoky has been cut in the middle. Now they're putting in that kachumbari and chili and some tomato sauce. Yeah, that is how it's made now. I'm waiting to have a bite. Oh my God. Here the samosas are not ready yet. And here is my smoky. It's ready with everything: kachumbari, tomato sauce, chili. Yeah, that is the ready one. And now here are the samosas. These are just the potato samosas and the green grams ones. Yeah, they don't make the meat samosas here. There you can see the kachumbari. They also add kachumbari in it. Yes, guys, enjoy watching as I enjoy having a bite. Yeah, you can see a lot of kachumbari and it's not expensive, guys. These goes at only 10 shillings. 10 bob. Yeah.